Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today I'm gonna share a little bit things about VI editor, which is in Kalidina. Okay, first of all, what is actually the VI editor means? Okay, VI is actually the default editor that comes with the Unix operating system, is which called VI. VI is stand for Visual Editor. Okay, the Unix VI editor is a full screen editor and has two modes of operation. First one is command mode, which can cause action to be taken on the file, and the second is the insert mode. Insert mode is which when we enter any text in it, it will insert into the file. Okay, in the command mode, actually every character type is a command that does something to the text file being edited. A character type in the command may even cause the VI editor to enter the insert mode. In the insert mode, in the insert mode, every character type is added to the text in file. Pressing the ESC, or we call escape key, turn off the insert modes. While there are a number of VI commands, just a handful of these is usually sufficient for the beginner VI users. Okay, to assist such user, today I'm gonna share a little bit things about VI command. Alright, right now we will start for the first section, which is text input command. Okay. First of all, I will write 2 or 3 sentences first. Make sure you already in the insert mode, not in the command mode. How are you? Alright, okay, then when we finish, we click escape to go to the command mode, and then you can press small I. If you enter small I, it will show the text at the current cursor position. If we put capital I in the command mode, it will go to the beginning of the line. And then if we enter A, they will append the text after the current cursor position. If we put capital A, it will go to the end of the line. Okay, if you want to change the current word, for example we just have to click the command mode and then type CW. Alright, sorry, we try again. We enter in the command mode and then click CW. Alright, then we can see U is disappear. And then to change the current line, we can enter the command mode and then click CC, and the whole line will disappear. Okay, then if you want to insert new line below, we can use O in the command mode. It will go below, or else we can use capital O. We can use capital O to insert the new line above and allow the insertion. Okay. Okay, then we will proceed to the second topic, which is the cursor movement of the command. Okay, first of all, I will write a little bit sentence. Okay, I first. My name is Abu. I have many friends. Okay, if we enter command mode, and then H is to move to the previous character like this, and if we enter L, it will move to the next character like this. K to move to the previous line. We can see previous line, and J to the next line. JK. Alright, B and W is to move to the previous word or next word. B, and this is for W. Alright. Okay, right now I'm going to show the cursor command, the second one. Okay, cursor movement command, the second one. Okay, first I will type 3 simple sentence. Oh, yes. My name is Abu. I have a lot of friends. INDS. One of it is Zubir. Okay, right now I have three sentences. Okay, for this cursor movement command, when we enter the command mode, then we click E, which is small e, it will move to the end of the word. Okay, we will not see. I will move it to the first, and then we put E, it will move to the end of the word. Okay, secondly is if we put capital H, it will go to the beginning of the first line of the screen. If we put capital M, it will go to the middle line on the screen. And then if we put capital L, it will go to the beginning of the last line on the screen. But if for the capital O, capital O, okay, it will move to the beginning of the current line. Okay, alright, then we will go to the save and exit command. If you want to save, we just have to click the double notation, just like this. Wait a minute. Okay, then it will appear in the end of the line. We can click W and exclamation mark. This will work. And also if we input some of the file names such as test or only W or WQ, all of it will save. But for the WQ, it will save all the changes and quit. But if we don't want to save, but we want to quit only, we can type Q and exclamation marks and then press enter. Okay, it will appear just like this. Alright, now we will proceed on how to delete a comment in VI editor. As usual, I will write a few example sentences before we proceed to the comment. Hello, with press I, hello there. How are you? Alright then. Okay, first of all, to delete the current character, we just have to enter the command mode and press X. So we can see we are deleting the character. But if we want to delete a word, we just have to click enter DW, and then it will delete the word. For example, DW. Okay, we delete the how word. For how to delete the current line, we just click double D, and then all the current line will be finished. If capital D, it will delete to the end of the line. For example, capital D. Okay, all of the sentence is demolished. Okay, then I will show how to undo the command. For example, we have delete just now, so if we want to undo the command, we just have to click U. U, and then we can see all of our center just now have been appear again. Alright, now we focus on the last but not least, how to copy some line. Okay, to copy some line, I already have enter an example of sentence. Okay, first of all, enter the comment mode and then click YY, and then if you want to paste it, we just have to click P, and then we can see P if you were. Alright, if you want to copy all the lines, if you want to copy the word, we click YW and then paste it. Okay, we can see. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.